Okay, loves, like the title says, I won a giveaway and I am so excited that I'm going to share it with you, and you're going to want to watch this whole video because you could have a chance to win something quite similar to what I won. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, like it just said, I won a giveaway and I am going to unbox it here on my channel and share with you guys exactly what I won because it is a phenomenal giveaway. And I'm going to start off by thanking my new friend Ashley, who is Thrifty Chica here on YouTube, and she is the Thrifty Chica on Instagram, because without her, I never would have won this giveaway. So what ended up happening is Ashley saw my Instagram and she saw that I love to do Dollar Tree DIYs. Specifically, I did the little wooden house shadow boxes, like this DIY here in the back of my kitchen that says home. That was the very first one that I did. And Ashley said, come on over to my Facebook. Yes, Facebook. So we have YouTube, we have Instagram, and now we have Facebook group, and share some of your DIYs over there. And she asked permission for her to be able to share some of my DIYs. So I went over to the group, of course, and I have to tell you, it is full of crafters. It's full of people who love crafts and ask for inspiration. You can get so much information over there. It is called Dollar Tree DIYs and Decor. So I was in this group for a while, and then Ashley is partnered with Cricut. Yes, I said Cricut. You know, the ultimate cutting machine for different kinds of materials. She's partnered with them and they were giving away a Cricut Explorer Air 2. So all you had to do to enter the giveaway was to tell of a Dollar Tree product or products that you would like to use the Cricut for to do a DIY. So I didn't even really have anything in mind, and I wasn't even thinking about actually entering it because I never win anything. I don't care what it is, I never win. But I said, you know what? It is summertime. I can come up with some ideas, and I thought I was going to make a little side table for my porch. And so I told her that, and she did a random drawing about 8 days ago, I think it is now, because today is actually July 4th. And so all I knew is I was at work and I looked up and I had a notification that it was tagged in something by Ashley, and I just thought she was sharing another one of my DIYs, and I won the Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine. And here it is, right here, in this big old huge box that I got delivered to my house. She said it would take about 2 weeks to get, and I got it in exactly 7 days. So we are going to cut it open and look at it for the very first time. I can't even believe that I haven't opened it yet because I literally have had it now for 2 days, but I have been working and I wanted to show you guys in a video my actual unboxing of this awesome machine that I won. So let's cut into it. I've got a little fastback here that Chad got for me, and we are going to pull this out and see exactly what I ended up getting. Okay, so here it is, and look, it is a massive box. It is heavy too. So it is in this beautiful blue color, I'm pretty sure. And let's break into it so we can see exactly what is in here. I cannot wait. I am so excited. I have never won anything, and this is a big, big prize. So right on top, there is the cutting mat that comes with your Cricut. And then the machine is in here, and I think I'm going to need Chad's help getting this out too. So hang on just a minute. Okay, so I took everything out of the box, and not only do we have the cutting mat, which is over on the side because I showed that to you guys already, we have the instructions for everything nicely packaged. Then we have what is the power cord system here. And then this is like a USB cord, and I'm not sure what all it plugs into, but that's in there too. And you also get one of the Cricut markers in the color black, or a pen. I think they call it a pen. And then, ta-da! We have the machine. Oh, look at that. It is so pretty. I am so excited. I just don't even know what to do. So it is covered in some tape and stuff to keep it protected. But as you can see, it is the beautiful blue color that they have here. So I'm going to remove all the safety stuff and then we'll look at it again. Hold on. Okay, love. So here is my machine all open and ready for use. So let's just run through it really quickly on the things that I actually know about it. And believe me, I don't know that much, but we're going to run through it really quickly because I'm so excited. So over here on the left in the back is a storage area for your pens and all of your tools that you will need to use. It's easily accessible right here, so you don't have to be rifling through drawers and stuff. So I really love that. And then there is a little hinge door here, and I have to admit I have no idea what that's for. I will figure it out and I will let you guys know later on when I do some actual DIYs on my channel with this beautiful machine. Then in front is a button that is marked open, and what it does is when the machine is all closed up for storage, you press it and it opens in all of its glory. I just love that. Now on the front here of this panel, you can see there's two notches because these are storage compartments. The small one here stores your blades and your adaptive tools that you put in these two little settings here to make your machine work, and it has a magnetic closure. And then the larger one here, you can put all your pens and your other tools in, so you have tons of storage right at your disposal right on the machine. Then the machine is preloaded with the blade already in the B slot, and over here you have the A slot where you can put your pens and stuff in, because not only does the Cricut machine cut for you, it also draws for you. I'm in heaven. I have to say, I cannot believe this is sitting here for me and I want it. I am in heaven. I love this machine. And then all the way over on the right side of it, you have all of your controls and dials for your machine and your on-off switch. Now this dial here lets you change on different kinds of material that you use, like textures and different thicknesses and stuff, because there are over 100 different materials you can cut with this machine. Yes, over 100. I can't even believe that myself. Well, you can do cardstock, you can do faux leather, you can do vinyl. I think I might have said this already, but excitement is just bubbling up out of me right now. So that is it. I just want to thank Ashley so very much again for this giveaway. I am so excited. She partnered with Cricut, with the CEO, and I want to thank him also for sending this machine to me. I hope that I can do it justice and doing some DIYs that you guys are going to love. So if you want to know how you can possibly win a Cricut machine yourself, let me tell you. First though, I would like to ask you to go over to Ashley's channel, which is Thrifty Chica here on YouTube, and subscribe to her. She shows tutorials on these Cricut machines. Also, subscribe to her Instagram or follow her on Instagram. It is the Thrifty Chica, because over there she gives updates and she shows projects that she's done on her Cricut machine and on her giveaways over on her Facebook group page. Lastly then, of course, you want to go to Facebook and you want to join her group, which is Dollar Tree DIYs and Decor, because that is where she gives away the Cricut machines. Right now she's giving away a Cricut maker, and all you normally have to do is say what kind of Dollar Tree project you'd like to use one of the machines on, and you're entered in the giveaway. I will link all of that down below in my description box. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. And you best believe I'm going to be posting pictures of this bad boy over there real soon. All right, bye loves.